call it Ephemeris, the creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here, to our planet.
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that tyrant you saw in our village was its emissary, Commander Spark. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa, look. I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... Oh, I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid, I'd love to help you and your dad, but my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem Phi. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
Poor Susie. Felt like living in the orphanage with no family, just like you were, Ratchet.
All right. So where do we find this Commander Spock?
Yeah, I'm not so big on the whole haunted forest thing.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
Wait a minute. Both of those are my things. Wait up!
Wait for me!
Fear me, if you dare.
It is Puss in Boots. That's Quark and Dr. Nefarious.
That's it! You all saw it! President Quark felled the mighty beast!
Someone want to get Fatty McMouth breather and oxygen mask? I'm not gonna carry him if he passes out.
Ratchet? Ratchet?
Yeah, pal?
I believe I may have found something.
What you got?
Hollow Diary, entry 005. They came during the night. Hundreds of them. And they attacked without warning. I stood atop Zuzo Fields and watched in horror as Commander Spock and his armies lay waste to Uzo City. Through ribbons of fire, I saw my creation. Bloated and terrible. A deadly moon hanging silently amongst the destruction. Ephemeris. What plans does my enemy have for this ark? I can't explain it, but I feel as if some dark fate haunts us all from the future. And Ephemeris is the key. These things will not stop with madness. We are simply the first steps. And I, Dr. Frumpus Croyd, cannot shake the feeling that it was my work that made it possible.
According to this Hollow Journal, whoever is controlling Ephemeris has a plan for these monsters. Ratchet, I have a bad feeling about this. We must find Commander Spark at once.